The braking power low warning in your Toyota indicates a potential issue with your vehicle's braking system. This warning has become increasingly common and requires immediate attention for your safety. When this warning appears on your dashboard, it means your Toyota's advanced safety systems have detected a problem that could affect your braking performance. This warning is most common in Toyota models from 2018 to 2025, with hybrid models showing higher incident rates. The RAV4 Hybrid leads with a 5.8% incident rate, followed by the Highlander at 4.2%. The warning is linked to several advanced braking systems. These include electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, anti-lock braking system, and regenerative braking in hybrid models. Your Toyota continuously monitors 5 critical parameters: brake fluid pressure, electronic brake distribution, regenerative braking efficiency in hybrids, ABS sensor functionality, and brake booster performance. Immediate causes include low or contaminated brake fluid, a faulty brake booster, ABS sensor malfunction, or worn brake pads triggering system alerts. These are often the first things technicians check. System-related causes are more complex and include software glitches in the electronic control unit, hybrid battery issues affecting regenerative braking, corroded electrical connections, or a failed brake actuator assembly. These repairs can range from simple software updates costing $100 to $200, up to brake actuator replacements costing $2,800 to $3,500. Remember, the braking power low warning is a critical safety alert. Never ignore this warning, as it directly affects your vehicle's ability to stop safely. Schedule an inspection immediately when this warning appears. When the braking power low warning appears, your immediate priority is safety. Take these critical steps to protect yourself and others on the road. Once you're safely stopped, you can begin basic troubleshooting. The first and most important check is your brake fluid level. Open your hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir. It's typically a translucent container near the firewall. Check if the fluid level is between the minimum and maximum marks. If the brake fluid level is adequate or the warning persists after adding fluid, professional diagnosis is required. A mechanic will use an OBD2 scanner to identify specific error codes. The OBD2 scanner connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port and retrieves error codes that pinpoint the exact problem. Common brake system codes include C201, C1223, C1391, and C256. Based on the diagnostic results, several repair solutions may be needed. These range from simple software updates to component replacements, with costs varying significantly. Software updates are the least expensive solution, often resolving electronic glitches. Brake fluid replacement addresses contamination issues. More serious problems may require ABS sensor replacement or brake actuator repair. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance can help avoid the braking power low warning entirely. Follow these key maintenance intervals to keep your brake system healthy. Change your brake fluid every 24 months regardless of mileage, as moisture contamination is a leading cause of brake system problems. Annual inspections can catch issues before they trigger warnings, and staying current with software updates addresses known system bugs. Remember, the braking power low warning is a safety feature designed to protect you. Never ignore it, and always prioritize professional diagnosis when basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue. Regular maintenance is your best defense against brake system problems.